So the latest job numbers coming in earlier today. Labor market's hotter and tighter than expected. Desperate need for skilled trade workers, electricians and plumbers, carpenters and mechanics. That need's growing as the economy struggles to get back on track. And Madison Allworth is live for Fox Business at a trade school in Mahwah, New Jersey. Morning.
Good morning, Bill. Here at Lincoln Tech, they actually have seen enrollment increase. But if you look at the schools across the country, they cannot meet the need with the gap that we're currently seeing in those trade fields. I want to bring in the President, Robert. So like I said, no matter how many students you graduate, we're not seeing that gap being filled. What is causing that gap, that need for more electricians?
Well, we're seeing a need with the electric vehicles coming out. The grid needs to be increased, so we need more electricians to be handling that work, as well as we have older electricians that are retiring. We need younger electricians to come in and fill that void, and unfortunately, right now, there's not enough young electricians to fill that void.
And we see that majority of companies looking to hire electricians. You have companies calling every day, you tell me. What needs to change to get more folks in this line of work?
I mean, schools like Lincoln Tech, you can have a student come to our school, finish in 1 year, being in the industry, and on their way to a sustainable career.
All right, thank you. I want to talk to one of those students real quick while we have a minute. Alan here is working on an electric board for a light switch. Most of your peers, Alan, they don't want to do this. They want to go into a four-year school, but you are here. Why make the decision to be an electrician?
The reason I'm here is because in under a year, I want to be in the workforce. I want to be working, making money, and that's my reason.
Okay, I love it. So Alan taught me a little bit, guys. I'm gonna put on my safety goggles. I had to convince his instructor that I could do this safely. So we're building the light switch. Yes. We're gonna power up. All right, let's switch it on.
Pretty much on.
Okay, all right, I'm not supposed to touch the copper. Boom, look at that. Okay, and by the end of the day, Alan will have this on. I just didn't have enough time or skills to do that. So thanks for entertaining me, Alan. Guys, really fascinating to see everything that they're doing here, but the reality is we need a lot more folks like Alan to fill the need if we're gonna power this electric future.
Love
I'll send it back to you.
Cue up Edison. I mean, you're in the state of New Jersey anyway, right? Well done, Madison. Nice to see you. Mahwah, New Jersey. Thank you. Cool.
I love that those kids are getting out there. I have a younger cousin who became an electrician, I believe, in Cheyenne, Wyoming, crushing it. There's a lot of need out there.
Opportunity, right?
Yeah.
Real estate's good.
Yeah, and as a young man said, well-paying jobs as well. So if you're looking for something, that might be one that you want to do. It's good to be with you today.
You too.